Hello everyone, welcome to IT Projects. This is Munshi Faisal Ahmed. Today I am going to show you a calculator without any graphical user interface by Python. So now I am showing a calculator using Python without any graphical user interface. So I'm going here, and this is my Python file. For making short time, I have coded before some time ago, and now I'm showing my code. So this is my code. Okay, so firstly I want to run this program. So how can I run this program? I have go to my folder and shift right button click. So open PowerShell window here. So now I'm opening my PowerShell window here. So I have run this program here. Okay. So here I want to type Python. File name was clc-calc.py. So firstly it's showing, welcome to my calculator. This calculator is calculating only for two numbers. Enter your name. So I have to enter my name, Munshi, Munshi, Faysal. Okay, so enter. Here Munshi Faisal. Select operation. For addition type 1, for subtraction type 2, for multiplication type 3, for division type 4. So enter your choice 1, 2, 3, 4. So my choice is 4, and then my first number is 5. My first number is suppose 70, and my second number is 35. So now calculating 70 bhag 30 division 35 equal to 2. So the result of division is 2. Do you want to do calculate again? So if I want to do calculate again, simply yes, then this process is repeating. If no, so thank you. If yes, this processing, enter your choice, this processing is repeating. Okay, so now I'm showing my code. Firstly I have started for function for add, as this calculator for my two numbers, only for two numbers. That's why I have taken here only two numbers, x and y. If x and y, this is the parameter x and y, so return x plus y. Subtract function x minus y. Multiply function x into y, and division function x divided by y. So this is only for arranging my code, not for others. \n, new line, welcome to my calculator, these things. And here I have created a variable name and input enter your name. So this f is the formatted string. It is for formatted string because I have used this name. I have used this name here. That's why I have used formatted string here. And hey, select operation. Hey, what will be the name that will be here? Hey Faisal. Select operation. For addition type 1, for addition subtraction type 2, for multiplication type 3, division 4. Now I have created loop here. If the choice is 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will be happen. If others, then another things. Invalid input, please run the program again. Okay, so this is my code. If choice is 1, 2, 3, 4, then number 1, I have to take number 1 as a float number. You can take as integer number. I take here as a float number. Number 1, number 2, and just for arranging, now calculating. It's for arranging issue, not for others. If my value of choice is 1, then I have calculate this line. Number 1 plus number 2, that means 7 plus 5 equal to, add 7 plus 5. So pass this number 1 and number 2 as x and y parameter. So I pass this number 1 and number 2 as this parameter, and here it will return x plus y. So then number 1 plus number y. And then the result will be printed here, and if enter yes or no. If your answer is yes, then continue. That means this process will be continue. But if your answer is not yes, that means any other things. So print thank you and then your name and break. So this process repeated 4 times because my calculator is only for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That's why I have repeated this one. Okay. And if the choice is out of 1 2 3 4, then invalid input, please run the program again. Like if you run that program again, okay, so enter your name. My name is Faisal. Okay, so here Faisal, select operation 1 2 3 4. So this program said to me that I have to take these things, but if I take any other number 777, so invalid input, please run the program again. Okay, thank you. This is my basic calculator using Python.